Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on the Crypto Pirates, brought to you by Fawcett Gamers. We're going to be doing a quick update and just looking at how our account is doing and how we are progressing. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. Remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my Crypto Pirates account. So if we just run through the numbers. So the last time we did a video, which was about 9 days ago. So if we, what we're going to do is we're going to drop into the actual Crypto Pirates game. And we're just going to go through some quick stats to give you an idea of what the progress of the account has been. So if we go into the fleet, that is sort of where where our ships are kept. So the ships that we've purchased, where they are kept. So 9 days ago we had 2 dinghies and 2 sloop, I believe. If we dive into the here, we can see that we now have 4 sloops and 1 dinghy. Basically, in the last video, this dinghy here only had about, I don't know, 6 or 7 days left before I had to rebuild it. I basically built up enough game tokens that what I did was I sold the remaining days, which gave me about 900 GTs in the bank, which then tipped me over the 10,000 GTs required to get the sloop. And then since then we've been able to upgrade this to level 10. You can see we've still got like 2 weeks left on this dinghy here, so I'll probably do the same with about a week or so to go, sell that off, get 1,000 GTs and put it towards another sloop. The idea is I'm trying to get all 8 sloops, and then from that point obviously start progressing up to the higher and higher boats. So we were in 76th place on the leaderboard. If we dive into bounties, if we go in here and scroll down, go to page 2. Where are we? We're somewhere around it. Or we were. Oh, I've lost us. Where are we? Oh, there we are. 69th. I was looking too far down the list. So 69th, here we go, 69th. And with 1,436 naval points. And we were receiving, oh actually, yeah, and we were receiving in the original video 1,453 game tokens per day. If we dive into sailing, you can now see that we are at an earning of 2,673 GTs every day. So we're getting close to, excuse me, getting close to 3,000 game tokens per day. And obviously another sloop will only cost us 10,000. You can see that I managed to save up 7,000 there. So towards our next boat. Don't forget, make sure that you hoist your pirate flag to get your boosts. So we're a 9% boost on that. I always do it 3 times. I tend to find that the first time pushes you up, the second time drops you down, and the third time then pushes you up again. So 1528, we should go above that. Oh, okay, so we'll have to do it a fourth time to try and get that up. Here we go. There you go, 1643. So we're above, quite a bit above what we were when we came in, and that only cost us 4 loyalty points. Now, something that's been brought to my attention, and is going to be really good news for you guys, because you know how I love to try and help you guys out and give you boosts and stuff like that in the various other programs. So what I'm going to be doing, oh, actually, I should explain what this is about. So I was told this. I'm trying to confirm it, but I was told that once my account, if we, I don't know where we'll go. Active? No, I don't know. Maybe here. So once my account reaches 1,000 loyalty points, that gives me the ability to start sending game tokens to other people's accounts. So once I hit that, what I'm going to start doing, because I'm going to maintain that in my account, what I'm going to start doing is maybe some live feeds, live streams to do with this game. And in those live streams, I'm going to be giving away game tokens, basically just doing something like using a random number generator or something like that live on screen, and then we can pick out using that. That's going to give us the number of the referral, the referral that's within this game that is in my downline, and then I'm going to send maybe 1,000 game tokens to you, and basically that is something that I'm looking forward to doing in the future. You can see that we have 129 loyalty points at the moment. Obviously, there's a bit of a way to go, but that is basically what I want to do. I'm looking to do a similar thing with the live streams for Rollercoin, live streams for Contract Miner, all with the idea of giving away, or either for free or at very low cost, certain items from those programs to you guys. And that is because, without you, my viewers, my subscribers, the channel that I have would not be anywhere near it is, obviously. And I just want to do that to say a massive thank you back to you guys. So like I say, the next goal and the next program we're going to be doing that is going to be Crypto Pirate. I just need to get to 1,000 loyalty points before we can do it. And I will obviously make sure that that is confirmed, but it was something that someone mentioned to me in the Discord. So hopefully we have that to look forward to. And talking about Discords, for those of you that don't know, I do now have a Discord server, and it's basically what I've created is like a one-stop shop for updates and alerts. It will even give you the promo codes for this game, which with those promo codes, they give you promo code for Hideout TV if you're using that, promo codes for Cointeply, and I know a lot of you do use that, and promo codes for this game as well. So you've got like 3 different lots of promo codes. They're putting them on there all the time. Get over to our Discord, join in the channel, go down to the Crypto Pirates category. You'll see that you're going to be getting updates about the game, but you're also going to be getting those promo codes as well. And it would just be absolutely fantastic to see you there. Come along, have a chat. Any questions that you want answering, just pop them in the Crypto Pirates chat. I will answer them, or my moderators will answer them for you. And, let's just have fun. And because that's what it is all about after all. Excuse me. So, for those of you that haven't caught that first video, make sure you go and check it out. It's got a lot of hints and tips, and also give you a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your account set up and earning some of this free crypto. And I will put a link in the description to that video. But if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also. So a lot of you are probably wondering how I'm managing to basically build up this huge amounts of GTs. And I'm actually managing to earn about 2,000 GTs every single day. And the only way I'm doing this is basically through Hideout TV. I am using no other offer walls. I'm using no other. So I'm not doing any surveys. I'm not doing anything else. I'm not doing PTC ads. I'm just doing Hideout TV. Now I know a lot of you cannot use Hideout TV in various different places around the world. So obviously, if you want to build up your account, you probably will need to do surveys. You will need to do PTC ads. I did have a subscriber of mine, a member of the Discord, basically say that where they are in the world, they're very, very limited on the things that they can use in this game to actually boost up their account. And they were basically asking if it was possible at all for short links to be added to the offer walls. Now, I have spoken to the moderators over at the Fawcett Gamers Discord, and they have said that they are looking into this. They are looking into short links to be added to the site, but the thing is they only want to add family-friendly short links to the site. And I totally get this, because some of those links do contain some very explicit images, which not everybody wants to be basically they don't want to view them. So I totally get why they're being very stringent on what short links they do add to this program. But hopefully in the very near future there will be short links, like a really good amount of short links being added to this program that is obviously going to help a lot of people out building up their accounts. Something else that I found very interesting, I just caught a quick snippet of an update by, I think it was the developer, Mr. Brightside, which popped up in our Discord. And it was actually an apology, because I think it was like 3 or 4 days ago. Apparently the site was down. It actually had gone down. And basically it's because on that day and the subsequent days, they were just getting a huge amount of traffic. Now, Mr. Brightside basically said he didn't feel like it was a DOS attack. It was just a influx of people coming to the site. So I don't know, and it's, a bit of a pat on the back for me if it is the case, but I don't know if it's basically because people have viewed the video I did on my channel, and all of a sudden everybody has started to come here and use the game, the program, which is absolutely brilliant if it is. So obviously you guys that are coming over here and using the site, you're starting to put a bit of a stress on the site. But like Mr. Brightside said, it is just growing pains, hopefully, and nothing more sadistic, such as a DOS attack. But I just thought I found it quite funny that very shortly after I'd posted that video that happened. Excuse me, sorry. Anyway, obviously the account is building very nicely. I know you guys love the payment proofs, and we will obviously get to those in the near future. But at the moment, we are just building up our account to the point where we want to get it where it's a nice amount of passive income, not having to do a whole lot. And basically we can just allow our program to tick over, because that is, that's what we want. Just like Laravel, Fawcett and those other programs that we have managed to do that. This is another program that I believe we can do, get a passive income from, and a nice return. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. If you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.